What's up guys, it's your favorite music producer and creative entrepreneur Rico Beats aka Mr. 808. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, just hit subscribe below and turn on the post notifications so that you can get notified when I drop a new video. Well, as I've just introduced myself, I'm a beatmaker and music producer. I major in dancehall, hip-hop, Afro dancehall and all that. I also do recording of vocals, mixing and mastering. So from wherever you are in the country, like in Kenya or even outside, in the outside world, feel free to hit me up for work. Also, I do creation of instrumentals for vlog music, soundtracks, voiceovers, jingles, and all that. So other than that, I'd like to introduce you also to my two other YouTube channels. One is for hip-hop beats, this one, and this other one is for dancehall beats. So if you're an artist who specializes in any of them or both, then you just need to subscribe to them. I've put the link to the channels in the description below. So for today, we're going to talk about 11 gems that you need to know, or it would be good if you know about them, so long as you are in the music industry and business. And without much more talk, let's dive straight into it. Gem number one is you don't decide if your song is a hit song or not. The audience decides it. All you have to do is to just go to the studio and create the song and release it. The audience does it. So leave that burden for them. That one is beyond you, okay? And you need to be consistent. You need to be really consistent as you look for that maybe 1, 2 or 3 special songs that will transform your career to the next level. And for you to get that one song, remember, you can't just get it by doing one song. You have to record a series of songs. It's advisable that you drop even 2 songs a month, even 2 audios every month, but that might be on the high side for a lot of artists. So you can maybe try and work with something like 1 new release every month, or the worst case scenario, 1 song every 2 months. And you know what? I'm going to give you a plan that can help you be able to record and release much more consistently without breaking the bank. So just stick around till the end of this video is where I'll give you that plan. Recording songs in bulk is good because you won't have to release 1 song, then you go back to the studio to work on another one so that you can release it. That is like living paycheck to paycheck, which is not sustainable and it breaks the morale. Also, if you just bank on 1 song and you're sure that this is gonna be my hit song and you drop it, market it and all that, and it doesn't perform as you expected, this is going to demoralize you and you won't feel like going on with the art, which is not where you want to be, right? Gem number 2 is give each track the same amount of effort. Like, let's say you have recorded 6 tracks and you want to release them over 6 months. Give each one of them equal amount of effort. If it's 30 TikTok videos per song, then do that for each and every song. If you decide to invest like a budget of $50 or $100 per song on ads, then make sure you do it for each and every song. This is going to help make the whole process more easily repeatable, which is what you want to go for, so that you can be able to control how you get your data and results and use them for the better of the marketing. Number 3, in case you're doing ads, then you need to focus on the cost per conversion. So don't focus on metrics like the likes and the comments. You just focus on the cost per conversion, whereby if you have a low cost per conversion, let's say of about 20 cents, that's about two shillings, yeah, 20 cents, that is dollars. So when you find such a cost per conversion, then that's a good one. You need to pour in more money into it to like push the song even more. Number 4, when you're paying for ads, you're not buying streams. So when you're paying for ads, you're buying data. You're buying data that you're gonna use to help tailor your campaigns more. So you don't focus on like the amount of streams that you're getting. You focus on how the audience behaves. Like, are they saving a song? Are they adding a song to the playlist? Are they downloading it? Those are the most important actions that you need to focus on. Such data will help you to be able to track the most active users, like the ones who save your song, download it. These are the ones that you will target in your ads, because remember, these are more active listeners. When they listen to your song through an ad on Spotify and they like the song, they are most likely going to search up for the song and find you and even find your whole profile, which is very good, as opposed to landing yourself a playlist and in the playlist it's very random. Like, someone can just hear your song and they might not get to go and check your whole profile to see your other songs and who you actually are, right? Gem number 5. If you can get your song onto Spotify radio, that will be a win for you, because Spotify radio helps to generate streams better than even TikTok and these other social media platforms. So if you can get your song on a Spotify radio, that's a win for you. I know of an artist who got like 1 million streams within 11 months, and about 650,000 of these streams were as a result of getting a spot at the Spotify radio. Number 6, social media is actually optional. I know this is unpopular, but social media is actually optional. For those of you who are very busy, let's say from 8 to 5 or 9 to 5, or maybe because of responsibilities of family, this method of using ads to push your music on Spotify is actually good for you, because you don't have to engage actively in the ad every time. You don't have to be on the camera every time, for those of you who don't like being on the camera a lot of times. So this strategy is good for you guys. The ads strategy. You do ads on Spotify. Are we good? Gem number 7. Treat this music like real estate. Why am I saying that? Music is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term kind of an investment. So don't expect very quick returns. When you pay $1,000 or $100 for ads, don't expect to be able to get back the money within 1 month or 2 weeks. I think sometimes they pay Spotify pay delays by even 2 to 3 months, depending on various algorithmic and snowballing factors. So it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Go slow. Just take it slow and enjoy the process. I don't want you to be that guy who will end up being frustrated because of expecting quick returns. Gem number 8. Set a fixed monthly budget for the pushing of the songs. Let's say you're doing ads for your songs. You can fix maybe $100 per song every month. That helps you to get consistent in the energy that you are giving towards pushing and marketing the song. Consistency is better than intensity. You know that. Gem number 9. Create an artist brain and a marketing brain. Create an artistic brain and a marketing brain. What do I mean by artistic brain? This is the brain of the creative. Like, you need to feel what you're creating. You need to be in the moment. You need that. But once the song is already created, you need the marketing brain now to push that song. The strategies and all that. And as an artist, you need to switch between these two brains every now and then. It's a bit demanding, challenging. Sometimes you'll get burned out, you'll get confused. All of us go through this. It's part of the creative process. So you'll just get used to it and find a system that works for you. For me, I can go for an intense month of creating. Then the other month, I can switch to focusing more on marketing and like what strategies to try and all that. So it's part of the game. So don't get discouraged. Work between being able to switch between the two efficiently. Gem number 10. One good thing about doing ads is that it frees up your time for the creative process. Once you set up the campaigns and all that, you let the algorithms run the whole thing for you as you focus on creating. So it gives you more time to focus on if it's writing, beat making, editing, all that. This actually means that you will need to post less on social media. Not every day, sometimes not even every week, because now the algorithm is running the system for you. Get it? Gem number 11 and the final one. Invest in your music like you believe in it. If you invest in your music, your fans believe in you, the algorithms believe in you, and you know what? The results will also show the same. So you have to invest in it. Up to this point, I want to believe that we are together and you are finding some useful information that can help you to keep going. As we started the video, I told you guys to stay up to the end so that I can give you some good information, right? And now here we are. You're probably wondering how you'll be able to get very consistent with your releases, and maybe you have a slim budget for your projects and all that. Don't worry about that. I have a solution for you. And the solution is none other than the 808 community membership. This is a membership program whereby you, as the artist, you'll be able to access the resources that you need towards developing your craft. That is beats, recording and mixing and mastering services for your projects. That is beat making, recording of vocals, and mixing and mastering of the vocals without you having to break the bank. You'll be able to access ready-made beats that give you instant inspiration to write your music, and therefore you'll be able to write even quicker and faster without thinking so much. So remember, if you have a very tight schedule and you want to try and come up with a way of getting consistent in this music, then You just need the 808 community membership and you'll be good to go. So the community enables you to record a couple of songs depending on the package that you select, and these songs you'll be able to spread them out. Let's say you release every 2 months or even 1 month, and within a year you'll be able to have stayed consistent without having to stress about so much. So this community comes through for you in that manner. All these beats that you will select are under the unlimited lease license. That is, you can make money with them, that is commercial rights, with no limits. There's a contract that I will provide showing that all the beats that you have selected are covered under the unlimited lease license. So if you'd like to join, just send me an email or even just a WhatsApp. I'll be taking only 4 artists in this month because of time, and I'm looking forward to have you guys join. So just send me an email and a WhatsApp message, and I'll be able to give you a good discount if you're gonna join by this weekend, so that we get the artists early enough and we start working. There's a good number of members already that we're working with in the community, and everything is just going on well. So if you're an artist and you're very busy in your 9 to 5 or maybe family responsibilities and a lot of hustles and bustles of life, then this community is good for you because it's gonna offload the pressure for you so that you can focus on your job, other responsibilities, as I help you handle the music side of your life. Sounds good, right? Also, if you're maybe tired of guessing how to move in this music, you're confused, you don't understand how to go about a lot of things, maybe you're starting out, maybe you're growing and you need somewhere that you're so sure of growth, then this community is for you. Let me know if you're gonna be the new member. I'll give you a good discount if you join this week. Thanks for sticking throughout the video. Iron sharpens iron, so I just wanted to share those gems with you guys. And if you win, I win. If I win, you win in the community. A win is a win, right? Let's get it. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and see you in the next video. Bless up.